Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you brush, there's still something hiding between your teeth? That little stubborn plaque that just won't budge? Well, that's exactly what we're tackling today with a duo designed to elevate your oral care routine. The Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 in mint and the ProtectiveClean 5300 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in sleek black, model HX6423/34. If you're serious about healthier gums and a brighter smile, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our honest beauty and self-care insights. Starting with the Power Flosser 3000, this cordless device promises up to 150% more effectiveness than traditional floss when it comes to gum health. Its standout feature is the QuadStream technology, which sends 4 wide streams of water between teeth and along the gum line, giving a thorough clean that manual flossing often misses. It's also designed for convenience, fully cordless with a 14-day battery life and safe to use in the shower. The pulse wave technology gently pulses water from tooth to tooth, guiding you to make sure every spot gets attention. I loved how intuitive it felt, and the water streams felt powerful yet gentle, leaving my mouth feeling exceptionally fresh. The only minor drawback? You do need to be mindful of water splashes if you're not in the shower. Now, moving to the ProtectiveClean 5300 toothbrush. This is a rechargeable electric toothbrush that allows you to customize your brushing experience with 3 modes: clean, white, and gum care. It features a pressure sensor that helps protect your teeth and gums from excessive force while improving gum health by up to 100% compared to a manual toothbrush. I found the BrushSync replacement reminder incredibly useful. It's easy to forget when it's time to swap brush heads, and this takes all the guesswork out. The 2-minute timer with QuadPacer encourages thorough brushing in each quadrant, which makes following dentist-recommended brushing time much easier. In terms of feel, the brush is comfortable in the hand and gentle on sensitive gums while still leaving teeth feeling polished and clean. What I really appreciate about this duo is how they complement each other. The flosser gets into areas that brushing alone can't reach, and the toothbrush ensures a consistent, thorough daily clean. As for real-world usage, integrating these into my morning and evening routine was seamless, and the results are noticeable. My gums feel healthier, and my teeth look brighter after consistent use over a couple of weeks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of pros, the Power Flosser 3000 is extremely effective at plaque removal, cordless, and easy to use even in the shower. The ProtectiveClean 5300 offers customizable brushing modes, pressure sensing, and intuitive reminders for optimal oral care. On the flip side, the flosser may splash water if not used carefully, and the toothbrush, while effective, comes at a higher price point compared to basic electric brushes. When considering value for money, this duo is positioned at a premium level. The innovative QuadStream technology and advanced brushing features justify the cost for anyone looking to invest in long-term oral health rather than settling for manual alternatives. Compared to other high-end flossers and electric toothbrushes, Philips consistently delivers precision and reliability, making this set a standout choice for a thorough dental care routine. The build quality on both devices is impressive, sturdy, sleek, and designed to last, with intuitive charging and user-friendly interfaces. You're getting durable tools that are worth the investment for the everyday commitment to oral health. For those exploring alternatives, if budget is a concern, there are manual flossers and standard electric toothbrushes that perform adequately, but they won't match the comprehensive cleaning and gum care that this Philips duo provides. If you're serious about oral hygiene and comfort, this set is worth the splurge. In summary, the Philips Sonicare Cordless Power Flosser 3000 and ProtectiveClean 5300 toothbrush offer a well-rounded, professional-level oral care experience. They are gentle yet effective, user-friendly, and backed by thoughtful design features that genuinely improve dental health. This set is ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their routine, particularly if you've struggled with plaque or sensitive gums in the past. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab these products is in the comments and description box. If you've already tried them, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.